All right, what's up? We back with the commercial break. Getting ready to finish cooking. Get the noodles right, y'all. That's what they look like. Cause I had to go take a commercial break. Had to take a bath. Had to get myself right. And I had took a bath. You know what I'm saying? Had to get myself clean. Woo. It feel good to clean your body. It feel good. My noodles done, y'all. It cooked while I was in the bathroom. Simple up. Kind of let it cook a little bit. I don't want to stir too much from the bottom because they get a little sticky icky. Y'all know I forgot to put in my noodles salt. And I seen this on somebody else's channel. And I'm just letting y'all know. I'm trying to charge it back up. Salt. That's what the noodles look like. Show y'all. You gotta drain that water. Some people don't drain. I do. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. Only because I fill this up, but turn this oven on for the bread. Cause people in here hungry. They've been telling me they hungry. I know they hungry. I ain't really been cooking in this house to make them appreciate me. But sometimes I feel like this house don't appreciate me. And I know they don't. I know they don't. Let me drink me some honey and tea tonight. Do me a little detox. Get my water ready. Get my tea bag ready. And I'm going to take me a little probably ginger and honey tonight. Just to clean my body together. You got to. And I need to rest tonight, so I'm gonna do me some 3 tea in 1. Got to get your mind right. Yes, baby. And you know I'm gonna go ahead and detox that body out. Yes, ma'am. Why not? Why not? Sweetie poo. Sweetie pie. I would be wrong if I didn't. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm finna get my water ready for my cup. Let me just find me a quick cup real quick. Get myself together. And y'all, I am a little piggy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't finna drink no faucet water. I just can't drink the faucet water. I'm just get my little cup. My little cup. I'm gonna get me some water in a minute. Get myself right, y'all. Hold on. All right. I forgot to put my apron on. I forgot, y'all. I forgot. Honey, that's you? That come from them talkies. See, that's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get. Baby. I'm trying to charge my thing. Yeah, I like my little apron. Hold on, y'all. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. All right. I'll pour that water in now. Because I am finna to boil this water, baby. Boil it in the microwave. I can drink my tea. Y'all see me put it in the microwave. Yes, ma'am. 3 minutes, let my water boil. All right, my noodles is ready, y'all. Ouch. It burned me. It burned me. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Well, you gotta be very careful when you're cooking these noodles, y'all. I'm telling you. Nah. Hold on, I'm bringing the camera over here so y'all can see. Y'all see my little inspiration right here? Y'all see my girl? You know I gotta have her in the kitchen with me. Y'all already know. And I gotta clean my string out from earlier when I dumped my noodles. Because I had to take a quick commercial. Welcome back from my commercial break. You already know it's your girl Queen back with another video. You can call me Queen, you can call me Chrissy, you can call me KP. Whichever one put your vote. As long as it's a respectable manner. Alright? Love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification so you will know when I'm on cooking. If you like my cooking, go ahead and give me them thumbs up. If not, then I'm sorry. I tried. I tried for the haters. Sorry. Hater alert! Hater alert! Hater! You're looking on my page. Hater alert! You find a hater, point them out. If you see a hater, point them out. Point them out. If you see a hater, point them out. Point them out. Let them be exposed, because guess what? They are a hater. And we don't deal with haters over here. We don't tolerate that foolishness. So now I gotta dump the noodles. They are extra hot. I ain't said they wasn't hot. My God, they're hot. I gotta invest in a bigger strainer. See? Hold on, let me show you. I let it cook too much. Let me show you what it looks like when it cooked too much. They got a little stuck. See? Tiana, what you doing? Tiana, what you doing, Tiana? Tiana, you about to get out that bathroom from what? My baby. If you know what's best for you, honey, you about to get out that bathroom messing with my baby. I don't know why you playing. You know, only play about honey. Okay. That one was a little sticky. I didn't want that. So now I drained. I'm going to put this right here because some of them got stuck together. I'm going to show y'all in a minute what I talk about. Because I overcooked it because I'm rushing. That's the only reason why. I just don't like it like. Let me show y'all. Brown looking. So I'll let that drain itself. So I didn't put any salt in this, which I should have, but I didn't. Damn. I'm gonna just let it drain. Y'all see it? My noodles is done. I'm gonna let it drain for a minute. Now I'm gonna take it right here, pour it back in that pot. Now you don't have to do this. I choose to do this. Put the top over it. And dinner is done. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, Chrissy. Eat them up, Chrissy. Eat them up. I let my noodles simmer. I let my pot. Now, y'all know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tell y'all this little secret because my spaghetti look a little bit watery. So I'm going to put a little bit of paste in here to give it that thickness so it won't be so watery. Because maybe I put a little bit too much water, but that paste going to bring it back. Tomato paste is beautiful. My spaghetti is done. I'm going to add some tomato paste. Girl. You always sample your food before you give it to anybody. Now y'all finna see me clean up real quick. Clean this kitchen up. The kids finna come in here, they finna eat. So I'm finna make their plate because they not finna mess over the food. You got little kids, you gotta make their plate. Can't be letting them come in here and dog the kitchen out. But them kids will do that. They just will do that. I like a clean kitchen. All right. All right. Right now I'm just cleaning my pot that I cooked out of early, so nobody got to come behind me and clean up. And that's what you do. When you get done cooking, you clean up behind yourself. Some people don't do that. I don't know why people don't do that. They like to leave the dishes all piled up. Honey, go ahead and clean that dishes up. Clean up. Clean up your house. Clean your kitchen up. Keep trying to keep the girls and keep the house clean. So the spaghetti is done, y'all. This is part 2 of the spaghetti. Me just cleaning up right now. Thank y'all for being on my channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm sorry I haven't been posting, but I will not neglect y'all. I will do my night routine before I go to bed, which we'll pray and go to bed. I don't care what it is, how I'm feeling. I'm getting back on my grind because I got off of it. I kind of forgot about me. You can't forget about you, because if you do, hey, if you ain't got no team to lift you up, I just probably got one supporter, which is my aunt now. I lost my friend, and that's what it is. That's what it is. If it's up there, it's up there. I ain't begging her. Shit, she talked about me. So on the phone with the lady who did. Girl, let them get into that. That's just old news. You don't bring up old drama. But yeah, that's old news. Old weight, done with it. Move on. You got to get a new friend. Get a new friend. Don't let that shit have your energy. Nothing at all. And I'm trying to get to 10,000. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. All right, y'all. I am officially done in the kitchen. So don't forget to hit that like, turn that post notifications so you'll know when I'm on. I did cook spaghetti for dinner. Right now I'm gonna get ready to eat bread. Let me take y'all back over here. Y'all can see. Y'all see my girl? I need her every while, bro. So that's what the spaghetti look like. So sauce. I gotta clean up over here. That's gonna simple some more. Oh, the paste. Let me show you what I was gonna tell y'all about. The paste. Oh, my tea too. My tea. I forgot the tea. And my paste. Y'all, I'm all over the place right now. Let this cook for one more second. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do for my tea. I'm gonna make a video for that. Right now, tomato paste. So you don't have to do this, but I do. I want to do mine a little thick. Tomato paste, make it a little thicker. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do this now. I'm just doing this because I want mine to be a little thicker. Open it. But be careful opening things too. Alrighty. And would I put the whole can of tomato paste? I may not. Depends on how I'm feeling right now. But we're gonna get it right. Just add that in your pot. And I'm gonna use the whole can because I want my spaghetti to be thick with the thickness. See? Thick. Make it thick. Just stir it up in there. I got my stove on so I can cook my bread. I'm gonna turn it up. And y'all can use paste. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I prefer to do this to make my spaghetti sauce a little thicker. And it will, so now I just got to cook. Everybody do theirs different. I like mine with a little bit of paste. I didn't want to tell y'all my secret, but man, if I can help somebody, I'm gonna help somebody. You feel me? No, that's just my stuff. And it's still gonna look the same, but it's just gonna cook and be a little thicker, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will show you what the spaghetti look like. Now it's time to take another commercial break. 15 minutes, almost 16 minutes, and a commercial break. We'll be right back. Moment silent.